Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to pan the canvas in Krita. There are multiple ways to do this. To pan with mouse controls, press and hold the middle mouse button or the mouse wheel and drag. This instantly moves your view around the canvas without changing tools. To pan using keyboard and mouse, hold space plus left click and drag. This temporarily switches to the pan action while you hold the keys. Release space to return to your previous tool. You can also manually select the pan tool in the toolbox, which is the hand icon, and then click drag the canvas to move it. Useful if you prefer toolbar navigation over shortcuts. If you're using a graphics tablet, make sure your pen buttons or tablet shortcuts are mapped to the middle mouse click or space so panning works smoothly. Many artists remap a pen button to middle mouse for easier pan control. And that's how you pan the canvas in Krita. Thanks for watching.